all of these devices are connected in to the power side through this connection here, which lays out all of the connections that you need. Overloads 1 and 2 I mentioned. Reversing motor starter, the regular single direction motor starter, and then your supply. So DC plus, DC minus, and that's your 24 volts. So from here to here, 24 volts. You use that to power all of these lower voltage devices. So low voltage lamps, I believe capacitive proximity sensor. This is a programmable relay that we'll use near the end. These are contactors, two contactors that we'll use, and essentially the same thing. You have a coil connection and however many normally open and normally closed contacts. Timer, different timing, different modes of to use this timer for. Same idea though, there's a coil and normally open, normally closed contacts. Again, the blue tag should show the connections. You'll notice this one is missing. You can always pull this off of the wall and you won't be able to see that likely, but it has the connections all listed there as well. Photo sensors, these here are just photo eyes, so when you make or break them, it sends the signal as desired. Push buttons, needed for most labs, some sort of control for motors or whatever will be running, generally motors. So each one of them has a normally open and a normally closed set of contacts. Same with this selector switch. It has normally open. This is the normally open and the normally closed. So if you need normally open contacts, you're going to bring one wire in here, then the switch is in between that, and the other side of it comes out here. And a limit switch down in the bottom. Similar to the one over here, just a different operating lever. So that's most of the, well, pretty well all of the devices on here, and we'll be using pretty well all of them as well. So again, this is the control devices, which are low voltage, 24 volts, used to control, for some of it at least, used to control our higher voltage devices, which are inside of the of this cabinet. So again, single motor starter, single direction motor starter, reversing motor starter with the overloads, and then that's all that's controlled by these devices. And then down here is our manual motor starters and drum switch, etc.